Well, hours away, and Justice Ian Winder is set to make a decision on whether Baha will get its wish to have its bankruptcy application approved so that it can move forward. Jimmy Swain was in court on Monday afternoon and fills us in on the objections raised.
A decision is likely in the Baha court matter as early as this week. Justice Ian Winder set Wednesday at 10 a.m. as the time when he will make his decision. Baha is seeking to have its bankruptcy application given the green light for approval. During the afternoon session, attorney for the China Exim Bank Queen's Counsel Brian Sims continued to hammer out his reasons why the decision should not be allowed to proceed. He said there are no insolvency proceedings here in the Bahamas and it cannot be invented by the court. Sims said Baha started off on the wrong foot, ended up with a misconceived and unprecedented application which he insisted makes no sense and cannot stand. He further argued that Baha's application was seeking an injunction against the bank, which it owes $2.45 billion in a move to prevent the bank from exercising its loan security rights. Minister of State for Legal Affairs Damian Gomez, who appears on behalf of the government, said the only court that can dissolve a company incorporated in the Bahamas is the Supreme Court. By all indications, Gomez says it appeared as if Baha was not happy with the Bahamas' insolvency laws, so it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in Delaware. The application is misconceived, he said, in seeking recognition of foreign proceedings as primary insolvency proceedings when the Delaware order only provides for recognition of a foreign representative. Cable Bahamas' representative Leslie Mortimer drew reference to the fact that the company has to continue to provide monthly services and equipment to Baha that exceeds $90,000 per month, while he says the order by the U.S. court only makes provisions for the debtor in possession responsible to pay $75,000. He pointed out that an adjustment can be made. Mortimer added that the company feels disadvantaged by the decision of the U.S. court and asked for the application to be dismissed. Representative for the China Construction America, Sean Morey, in his submissions called it contrary and perverse to public policy for the court to recognize foreign proceedings as opposed to a foreign representative. He too suggested the application was ill-conceived. Morey said it would not be the larger creditors that feel it, but insisted that those that are owed $2,000 are who would feel it the most. Morey said Baha's decision to file in Delaware was unjustified and calculated. Baha counsel Roy Sweeting maintained his reasons why the application should be approved, noting that there would be a level of control asserted if approved. However, if the application was rejected, he said the company would have to let the chips fall where they may. A decision is expected at 10 a.m. Wednesday by Justice Winder. Jimmy Swain, ZNS Network News.